Welcome to Bike Zone USA, your destination for bikes and scooters from around the globe. Today, we're taking a closer look at Honda Activa, the scooter that has redefined commuting in India. Loved by millions for its reliability, efficiency, and comfort, Activa isn't just a scooter, it's a lifestyle. Iconic legacy. Honda Activa first launched in India over 2 decades ago and quickly became a household name. Known for its unmatched reliability, smooth ride, and low maintenance, it's no wonder that Activa remains the top-selling scooter in India year after year. It's not just a scooter, it's a trusted companion for daily commuting, shopping, and family rides. Engine and performance. The Honda Activa comes with a 110cc or 125cc engine, delivering smooth and efficient performance. Perfect for city traffic, it provides excellent mileage, low vibrations, and effortless acceleration. Whether you're navigating busy streets or riding on open roads, Activa keeps the ride comfortable and stress-free. With its automatic transmission, every ride is simple and convenient. Design and comfort. Activa's design focuses on practicality and style. Its sleek body, comfortable seat, spacious footboard, and handy storage compartments make it perfect for everyday use. Lightweight and agile, it's easy to handle in traffic, while the premium finish and smart LED lighting add a touch of modernity. Features and safety. Honda Activa comes equipped with CBS combined braking system for enhanced safety and smooth braking. Modern variants feature LED headlights, digital analog meter panels, and improved suspension for a smoother ride. With its low maintenance and durability, Activa is designed to make life easier for riders of all ages. Price and availability. The Honda Activa is available at an affordable price, making it accessible to everyone. Its combination of style, comfort, and reliability ensures it remains the most trusted scooter across India. Whether it's for daily commuting or running errands, Activa is the ultimate companion. Final thoughts. The Honda Activa is more than a scooter, it's a symbol of convenience, reliability, and trust. It's the go-to choice for millions of riders who value comfort, efficiency, and everyday practicality. If you love scooters like the Honda Activa, subscribe to Bike Zone USA, like this video, and share it with your friends. Comment below, would you ride the iconic Activa in your city?